Hey guys, Justin here with JHeart Modelworks, coming to you with a quick channel shout out. Do not have a shop card on this one. It's a channel I've started watching recently, and I don't know his name. I like to learn names, and people respond well. I mean, it's always nice to call people by name, but haven't heard his name on any of his videos yet. But the channel is called Insomnia Hobbies. Go ahead and click whichever one of these corners. It goes up in one of those corners. Go and check him out. Been around for about 5 or 6 months, and he's only got about 30 subs. So if you guys can go check him out, maybe give him a sub if you like him. Some full build type stuff, real good videos, lots of great content. He's currently working on the Ferrari 330 P4 by Fujimi. He's also got the Fujimi's F430 Coupe, which I haven't watched that series yet. I'm about to watch that after I finish this. He's got a lot of the Fujimi Ferraris in. He's got a video of a bunch of, basically it's a kit stash video where he's talking about the stuff he's going to build on the channel, but he's also got some Lamborghinis. He has that Alshima Pagani, which everything I've read about that kit is that kit is really tough. A lot of body fitment issues and whatnot, but that's on his list of kits that he's going to work on. Just a lot of great build video stuff where you actually see him doing the work. I would like to get into that, but I just don't really, filming with the camera and whatnot, it's kind of hard. He's also got an E-Type. He's got the monogram E-Type Coupe. He's just a lot of good stuff up there. So if you can, go ahead and give him a check out. If you like his stuff, give him a sub. It's real similar to the type of stuff that I like, so I thought maybe some of you guys might like it as well. As always, thanks for watching, keep modeling, and have a great day.